Okay, 2 students scored 6, so that's 12 points. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 9 is 81. And then 30. And I looked at my answers. They're so close together, I'm not going to mess with my numbers. I'd love to mess with my numbers to make me have easier math. I'm not going to. So I'm going to add these numbers together. And that's going to give me 10, 16, 17. Carry my 1. 2, 3, 4, 9, 8. I think my microphone went off for a minute. So what I did was I added those numbers together and got 207. And then the numbers students add those numbers together and you get 25. And then to figure out which of the following is the closest average, divide 25 into 207. And that's going to be 8, which is 200. And then subtract, that gives you 70. 25 into 70, that's going to go twice. 2 times 25 is 50. And then 200, and that's going to be 8. So they're rounded to one decimal place. That's going to give you 8.3.